Quentin is supposed to be napping for the last half hour. I think he's humming maybe Old MacDonald. We went to the farmer's market today, then played around in Embarcadero Center, had some ice cream, frozen yogurt. Perhaps the frozen yogurt with strawberries is keeping him awake. I've gone in to read him a book, try to mellow him out. Didn't really work. He is 23 months old. Will be 2 in less than a month. He sure is a happy baby, though. Loves that crib. This has been a Quaff production.